Car got declined. This is perfect. This is content.
We're live. We're vlogging. Eric Dlux vlog.
Hello.
Hello. What are we doing today, Eric? What are we doing?
So we're gonna get a little thing we call lunch.
Lunch.
A little lunch, and then we're gonna make you a DJ.
I'm gonna become a DJ because why not? Everyone else is doing it. How hard could it be?
Under one condition, you don't take my gigs.
I only work for free.
Exactly. It's called undercutters. You're the problem. Everybody.
Check my hat too.
What does it say? Trump hates you?
The four people that raised me: George, Jerry, Elaine, and Kramer.
Oh wow, that's hot. The hat about nothing.
The hat about nothing. Why are we here, Eric?
So, our friend Ron.
Ron, what's up?
Hey guys.
Wow, look at this.
Yo.
Biggest bottle of hot sauce ever.
That's actually the truth right there.
This is like the Dom Perignon of hot sauce.
It's called, this is too much sauce. So we are gonna make a DJ. Oh,
yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
You already got the D.
Yeah.
Boss.
I already got a name.
You already got the name.
And I can book myself whenever I want.
Yes. His best friend owns every club.
I can't be paid. I only work for free.
Charity. Work for free. No, he gets
Yeah.
a rate, but he donates it.
Don't.
To the kids. Yeah.
I'm the Toms of DJing.
So we're gonna go to.
I'm putting a DJ setup in my office. Oh yeah, the first thing you do when you become a world famous DJ is you get a Headliner Music Club account.
Yeah, that's where you get all your edits, all your music, all your remixes.
Hopefully I'll get a promo code. I'm a struggling DJ.
Perhaps. See it?
We're here. This is where you go to become a world famous DJ. This should be interesting. What? Oh yeah. I need that billboard, Guitar Center. Free DJ at Guitar Center. Things have gone south. He's the house DJ at Guitar Center.
Times are tough, man. DJ where you can.
This is all I need?
Yep.
$700 I could be a DJ?
Yep.
Or $29 a month for 24 months.
That's it.
It's cheap. I'm gonna be rich. How much does it cost to be a DJ? We're gonna find out.
How much does it cost to be a DJ?
$1,387.63.
It was a lot more expensive when I was growing up.
Someone paid me $1,500 to DJ now.
I should probably follow it.
One gig. We'll pay for that.
Yeah.
Car got declined. This is perfect. This is content.
Oh, that's so good.
Next clip's gonna be him on the phone with the bank.
So, what are you doing buying?
This can't be real. Who's buying DJ equipment?
Approved.
Oh, nice. Congrats. Once he signs, he's officially a DJ. Here we go.
Woo! DJ Matinee is born.
How do you feel, D?
I feel a little stressed now.
Yeah, the pressure's on. This is the easy part, buying it.
Can't you be my ghost DJ?
Absolutely not.
Don't they have that? What does Paris Hilton do? Man, I just added another unnecessary hobby to my life.
Unnecessary. You're right on trend.
Is it? I thought DJing is not cool anymore. Vlogging.
Look at Virgil.
Oh yeah, he DJs.
It's a cool DJ right there.
I need a marker to write on shoes now.
I've been doing that.
You have.
I've been doing that. Here we go.
Where's the car?
Shoot, across the street.
Here we are, Headliner Music Club.
Welcome.
Worldwide headquarters.
Welcome to Headliner Music Club.
Global.com.
Oh, and my key stuck.
Oh,
more plaques.
Wow, look at that. We the best. Wow, what are those shoes?
Sean Witherspoon's.
Sorry to bother you.
$1,500.
$1,500. That's like my DJ equipment.
True.
He has a DJ. He's a DJ set up on his shoe. Hey! There we go. Worldwide headquarters. Got the designs coming. More plaques. Notice I said more.
It's called More Plaques. It's called Keep Looking.
And we're not at the dentist. Not that plaque.
It's called Zoom Into the Name.
Uh-oh.
You see who's down there?
Is he?
Oh,
it's black.
black. Yeah.
Who's that guy?
Another one.
Good. You too.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
First time
So listen.
movie?
We have a new
TJ.
DJ. We need
Good.
to set up with a HMC account.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I need my free account.
Do we have an approval process? A couple questions?
You can't be a world famous DJ without a headliner music account.
Absolutely not.
They don't allow that.
Nah.
What's the promo code? Promo code D.
You get charged extra.
I got to travel around the world because of this song.
Yo, you got the preview on the flip camera.
Yeah.
Before I even had an MP3.
When you
file.
wrote it on Southwest.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yo, check out this idea. That's crazy.
And now
Really?
Yeah. I remember it was him, J-Dub.
Yeah. And I enjoyed the fruits of that song. I traveled with you all over the world.
So that was our little office. Our humble office.
Humble abode. Everyone starts
We're a
somewhere.
startup, you know?
Yeah, I started the Indian travel agency.
There you go. Here we go.
Here we
Our
go.
studio.
Nice,
Smell like food in
nice.
there, or does it smell like food in there?
Smells like farts.
More farts.
This is our good friend Corey.
What's up?
How we doing?
He's a piece of but it's fine.
Let's see these pictures.
Look at this cute guy over here. I know that guy.
So this is where we make the magic
Oh,
happen.
dilly dilly.
Get the wine, bro.
Where's the wine? Oh yeah. That was already featured on my vlog, bro. I did a big feature
I'm
on
gonna
it.
let it sit and collect value and sell it for like 10 grand. In like 2 years.
Famous from D's vlog.
You know what I noticed too? That's really funny on it. I look closely. It says Young Tristes on there.
Yeah.
I saw it. I was-
says Rose Vibes.
I didn't even know what does that mean?
Triste means sad.
Oh
That's my
man.
rapper name. Young Triste.
Oh, it is.
Sad boy.
Isn't that like a YG dude, Sad Boy?
Is it?
Yeah, he has a Spanish artist.
Really?
Yeah.
So
Oh, wow.
once you
If I become a real DJ?
become a real DJ, we go over to the big dogs.
Wow. Wow.
This is the real deal right here, you know?
Big money. Big money.
That looks a little scary.
Yeah, this is definitely scary. What are you
Yeah,
working
we
on,
need a
pal?
celebrity. What does Ron Artest use? That's what I want.
He DJs?
Or one of those guys. Yeah, Metal World Peace DJs.
Really?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
He probably uses what you bought.
Yeah.
Well, I'm saying, but like, this is the first episode, turning him into a DJ.
All right. Listen, I'm just gonna make the mix for you. Just hit play at your
Yeah.
music, and that's
There you
it.
go.
That's what I'm trying to do. But I want to mix like the music I listen to, not just normal what's hot. You know, like Fleetwood and Eagles and all that.
$40,000 and make an hour mix for you.
HMC.
HMC.
It's a ripoff.
The rip Have my check.
Yeah, half my check is the Whole Foods of DJ clubs. Maybe I gotta write a hit song first. That'll be next. After 1 year of DJing, I write a song.
Featuring Nas and Future. Wow.
Oh my
That's gonna be
god.
so tight. You're like legit gonna be DJing and like with Nas in the room. And kids are gonna be sick.
Se quer me ver rebolar sem pudor, demorou toda hora. E erro no chão, até o chão, tentação. Pique provocação, geração, pegação.
So now I'm on the vlog here.
Yeah, you're
You know over
fucking.
here?
Nah.
This is Mr. Fourth Quarter Nick
Fourth
Ferrer.
quarter, when did you get a ball? When did you get the ball? Are you gonna ball?
When you see a hot,
When you hear a
spicy one.
spicy one, Latina, are you gonna ball?
What do you do? What do you do?
Oh, ball, ball. Don't put it on the vlog,
That's great vlog material.
This is what DJs do, bro. You
Yeah.
gotta get the behind the scenes.
We're gonna go catch a vibe. Come on.
Drink. Cross the street.
I'm not down here till like 5:30.
Damn it, everyone here working.
Spicy one is gonna come by, Daddy.
Ooh.
You probably know her. She's spicy.
We'll do it from a distance.
You probably know her.
Why is she coming?
To do what?
Big
So
meeting.
listen, we just bought the equipment. It's not even set up yet. And we're heading over to Skam. It's a DJ agency. It's called Skam Artist. He has no idea we're coming. We're just gonna pull up and see if he'll sign D and take him as a client.
Gotta negotiate hard.
Yeah, you gotta sell him. Sell him the dream.
Let's see if we can get an agent, manager.
And Sujit's a very nice guy, by the way. All right, here we go. This is Skam Artist. The guys are working.
Working hard.
Oh wow, do we have a Gusto appearance? Is that Gusto?
Oh, what up, dog?
Look at these guys.
What up, dog? Hi, brother. How are you, man? Good to see you.
The Skam Artist guys, hard at work. How are you? How are you? Which one of you guys want to take on D MURTHY, aka DJ Matinee?
Yeah, I need an agent.
Anybody? Damn.
Damn, nobody.
Free, sir.
For first stop is it?
First up, all right,
All bricks.
let's go see the boss. Hello, hello. How you guys doing?
What's up?
Hello.
Just YouTubing away. About to pull up on Sujit. Look at this guy. What's up, Suj? Sujit.
Oh, there you
Oh,
Perfect. We were looking for a drink.
so we hate to come in on you like this, but I have a new DJ. He just started today.
Yeah.
His name is DJ Matinee.
We're coming here to get this. Is this my signing deal?
Would you care to represent? He just bought his equipment today. Would you care to represent him?
He's ready. Am I getting a cap?
Oh, wow.
Am I signed?
Is that it? Oh, that's it?
Limited edition.
Hold on, that easy? Wait,
We need to build that Indian DJ roster.
that's true. Wait, that easy?
That's all I got. I don't got I'm looking around.
Oh, now, all right, this is all fine. Now we'll see if he gets a gig.
No, now we'll see if he doesn't get booed off the turntable.
Oh, yeah, that too. And
All right, guys. A big day. The day in the life of a DJ.
so we got you some equipment. You
Manager,
headliner music club account to get your music, and we got you representation, Skam Artist.
That headliner life.
Yeah, headliner life. And to celebrate, we had some wine.
Oh, we had some wine. We had some rosé. I need a rosé sponsor next.
I had to show you the DJ lifestyle of what we do during the day. It's called nothing.
DJ nothing. Now luckily my name is Matinee, so I can go to sleep now.
Yeah, exactly. The show's over.
Good night.
Good night.
See you not at the club.